guys gonna know how to go touch a smoke.
Harder, Bella. It's kind of cool, huh? Bella is now in front of a snowplow. So they have garbage trucks, towing trucks. Kids trying to get candy trucks. Hey guys, okay, so I need your opinion. Bella says that she does not like my cute hairstyle today. I just put it up easy with some clips. I have like little clips all over in my hair and then this pick. And she says it's not cute.
This is cute, so the balsam. What is it?
Right here.
And that's not even a suitable for someone on it.
I said this is going to be the new mom thing. I'm going to wear a pick in my hair and like clips all over. And I'm going to start a new thing for moms. It's going to be the clips and picks. So anyway, we're going to go and head out and meet some new friends. They actually have a YouTube channel called Random Family Days, and you should go check them out. I'll leave them linked down below. But yeah, so I'm going to go and hang out with my clip. I mean, the pick even matches. You don't need fanciness to like match. Like, it is driving her crazy, the fact that I have a pick in my hair. Like, she cannot stand it. Bella, I'm not wearing a pick in my hair. Come on. What kind of person do you think I am? A weirdo?
This is my wonderful.
Evidently, Bella is new to my life. Welcome, Bella.
Hey guys, we're hanging out with Random Family Days.
Macy. What's your name?
Liz.
Liz. And here's their parents. So they do like a lot of fun like challenges and stuff. So you should go and check them out. Random, yeah.
Nothing really makes sense or gets put together. But just whatever. Give them a gallon of milk.
Bella.
Yeah?
Now what are we doing?
We're going home.
Going home. It's kind of cold out. I don't know why I'm carrying her coat. I don't know why I can't find my car. Oh, I hear it. Okay, let's go. So tonight I am going to
Fermentation.
Yeah, to a thing at the outdoor campus. Usually Bella takes classes out there. This time I am, and it is about fermentation. I don't know what to expect. I know I like sauerkraut. I know I like kimchi. So I don't know if it's going to be like that, or if it's going to be like that soybean thing that I've seen people eat before that's really stringy. That I'm not excited about if it has anything to do with that. But she asked us to bring a knife and a cutting board, so I guess we're going to be cutting veggies. I don't know. It's going to be interesting. Bella's going to be coming along. You are not buckled in, girl.
Yeah, but I just put something on the window.
Oh, okay. Fix your seatbelt because we're about to back out.
Oh,
There's the bus, and I think we're gonna go on it later. She's probably in there right now thinking, why are you recording me? But I think we're gonna go in it later, but it will probably be kind of dark and you won't be able to see anything.
Great. He has a lot of hilarious videos on how to start fermenting. So I do 7 pounds of vegetables in 1 gallon of trout. I do about 2.5 inches per gallon, so I'm just gonna do 5 inches here. And I like to grate it on a smaller cheese grating with the ginger, but you can also simply just slice it very finely. It's kind of whatever you like. There's no wrong way to do it. But you can also make sauerkraut with just straight up cabbage. I wanted to add the beets in because I had them. I know a few people who make beet red cabbage sauerkrauts that are really delicious. So I was like, wow, I want to have some of that on the bus. That's perfect. That's what you want. You want to go?
Really, I thought I was going.
And this will make packing it down really simple. I've been working on my solar a lot, so you see my little solar setup, my panel. And this is the fermentation station, which is one of the first things I built. So everything has kind of like had to revolve around it and its workings.
Hey guys, okay, so I just got back from the fermentation. Is that how you say it? Fermentation? Fermenting? Whatever it is. And it was so interesting. She is so full of knowledge. So if you guys are interested in fermenting anything, I'm going to leave all of her links listed down below. We just got some mail, so we were just going to open it up really quick for you. So we got this. I think I know what everything is, but it's just 3 packages. So let's just open it up, shall we, Bella?
I would open up this one.
Okay. These are cute! Let me see that one. These are cute. So this company reached out to me, and I'm going to have their link down below, but she said she had like a bunch of really cute lunch bags, and so she sent me 2. Look how cute they are. So we're going to measure them up, and we're going to see if they fit. I think it was like Yorkie something, Yorkie Home. I'll look, and I'll have it listed. So this one is actually, I know what this one is. It's a company reached out to me on Instagram, and it's called Buck What? Oh my gosh, oatmeal raisin, crunchy peanut, simply sunflower, or cocoa. All right, Bella, do you want to show us what you got for your birthday?
Yes.
That was forever ago.
I got these from my mom. This one says hello. And I got this from my mom. This from my mom. And a planner from my mom. I'll show you. This, and I like how the days and the dates. Well, I did not go to. And then I have this cute little cat wallet. And I don't know that that's wrapped. And I have 2 debit cards on there. One for Taco Sauce, one for Taco Bell. And then some change in here. And then I got these 2 donuts.
It's in the shape of a letter E.
Yeah, 2 donuts.
Did you notice that?
No.
Yeah, it's supposed to be the number 8.
I was just looking at the donuts like this. And then I got this little kit, which you make animals. Well, I already made this before, and a cat. I can't.
And they each come like with this little envelope.
That has a cat on it, so that means a cat, so you don't have to open it. Like, I don't want to do this one.
Yeah, so then you can kind of know, like, if you're going to make this guy,
which we have not done yet.
all the supplies are in this envelope, and then you grab this cardboard, and then there are directions, like a whole little booklet of directions to make it.
And some glue. And
then some glue. It is the cutest little box. If you guys see these, this is an excellent Christmas gift. But screenshot that and get, like, this was a lot of fun for Bella to do.
Yeah, and I'm going to do one more just for you guys. And then I got some paint stuff. pallets that come with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. Then I got a cute little canvas.
Or an easel.
Now these are canvases. A small one and a kind of a big one, and it comes with 2 in each. And then this is the cutest little thing. Comment down below what you think's inside. I can't open it. It comes on top and bottom, and I'm so surprised it doesn't fall out, but the paper says where, but the page won't. Then I got these little crayons, nothing else, and they're not just a front row, they actually have this 2 rows in them. Then this is breakfast in bed. Breakfast in bed. That's a big thing.
She wanted something so she could eat breakfast in bed.
Yeah, fucking cool.
That's what her grandma got her. And grandpa.
And this was just on the things. I still like it. It fell. And then we got some kinetics. We got some kinetic sands, which I already made my hand put in. It feels so soft. Then we got this, and we already made one. And if you have one of these and you have like a little loop right there, it's supposed to be there so you can hang it up. There's one more thing.
Oh yeah.
This is for when your hair's brushed and washed, but dry, you can color in your hair.
Yeah, it was, what's it called, like hair stencils or something?
And they come with these, and I never saw with this, a paintbrush.
That's so you can do the tattoos that came with it.
Oh yeah.
So you fill that up with water.
And also they come with tattoos for your hair.
I think it's for your skin.
No, it isn't.
Oh.
I saw the book. Do you know what the book is?
Okay, this will be interesting.
Because I saw a girl have it.
On her hair?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you imagine?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye!